Hi, Colin with Diode Dynamics here, excited to introduce our SS3 fog light kits for the JK and JL Wrangler in the JT Gladiator. As you may know, these Jeeps come in multiple trim options, determining whether you have a steel or a plastic bumper. We're excited to let you know that we have options for both. One of the nice things about our kit compared to other kits on the market is that ours is a plug-and-play direct bolt-in fitment that requires no extra drilling or cutting. This is something you can easily install in your garage with basic hand tools. Not only do these give you a clean off-road look, but they also give you a significant increase in light output over the factory fogs, even if you have the upgraded LED option from factory. Now we offer these kits in two separate SAE approved fog optics, one in a 3000K selective yellow and another in a 6000K cool white. This is intended to direct light directly in front of the vehicle in an 80-degree spread. We also offer these in an SAE approved driving optic in 6000K cool white. This is intended to be used as a supplemental high beam. If you're looking to pick up a set of SS3s for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.